guys, this is Murree, very close to the capital of Pakistan, Islamabad, and it's a mountain area. So if you ever get a chance to travel to Murree, you must visit this shop. And in Murree, whenever the visitors come, they buy different souvenirs, and out of those souvenirs, these shawls, Kashmiri shawls, Pakistani shawls are quite popular, and this is one of the shops from where you can buy these shawls. And I've got my friend here. His name is Ikramullah, and he is running this shop. And what's the shop number? Shop number again? Shop number 32, and this market is Kent Market, shop number 32. If you ever visit this, you can see Mr. Ikramullah over here, and you just tell him that you watch this video on YouTube, and he's going to give you some special discount. Okay, he's got a very good variety. I bought so many shawls from him, and you can see the shop is full of shawls. I mean, they've got a very good fancy variety as well, right? You can see all that. So you know, if you ever come to Murree, definitely you can just buy stuff from here, and this is going to be all amazing. So guys, thank you very much. I gave you the night view of Murree, the day view of Murree, so you should visit this place. You're gonna enjoy. This is Pakistan, very close to Islamabad, the capital of Pakistan. Take care, see ya soon. Caught red-handed. What are you doing here?
Nothing.
What are you buying?
I bought an Eiffel Tower for my desk. I bought some barrel slime. I bought a pencil, a light, and some stuff, you know, I don't know.
Okay.
And a current.
Wow, that's awesome. So what else you want to buy?
I was just looking, you know, because Daddy is behind the camera and my money is in my pocket. I have to spend with my own budget.
Okay, because I have already bought her a lot of stuff, and now she's going to spend her own money. She's going to spend her own money.
I understand, Daddy. You're being that's so bad. You must not be like this with children.
Hello, child.
This is a pencil.
Yeah.
But I don't like it.
That's a nice shop. They have got everything. Look, the stuffed toys as well.
What color should I buy in this, sir?
In what?
Yes. Actually, Daddy told me to, in front of everyone and his students, now I should call him sir.
Okay.
I must say that.
You've got nice umbrellas.
Which color should I buy?
I don't know, you can buy any color. It's all up to you.
Yeah, I guess I'll buy this
So
color.
hurry up, I'm feeling sleepy.
Yeah, that's all.
So, yeah.
What color?
Pink.
Pink, sure.
Yeah.
What stuffed toy should be in there? Teddy bear, bunny, strawberry.
Anything. Do they have stuffed toy in it as well?
Yeah, they do.
Oh, they do have that.
Shall I buy this bunny one?
Okay. You better say bye-bye to us and you keep buying your stuff.
Bye-bye.
You wanna say anything else?
Yeah, I'm in Mall Road, Murree, and...
It's not Mall Road, it's Kent Market.
Yeah, whatever.
Cantonment Market.
Cantonment Market, Murree Hills, and this is a very nice place because I got a lot of stuff.
This is shop number 41. If you ever come to Murree, Kent Market, shop number 41. So you can buy
and you can
stuff.
drag your father over here.
Alright.
That'll be nice. Bye.
Bye-bye.